What does 12 mean on this motorway sign? The route number of the road. The distance to the nearest city. The speed limit on the slip road. The number of the next junction. The number of the next junction. Which sign means that pedestrians may be walking along the road? When can you use your car horn? To make slower drivers move over. To overtake. To attract a friend's attention. To warn others of your presence. To warn others of your presence. You're waiting at a T-junction. What should you do if a vehicle is coming from the right with its left indicator flashing? Move out because the vehicle is turning left. Wait until the vehicle starts to turn in. Pull out before the vehicle reaches the junction. Move out slowly. Wait until the vehicle starts to turn in. What does this sign mean? Give way. No through road. Turn left ahead. T-junction. T-junction. What does a red traffic light mean? Proceed with care. Stop if you're able to brake safely. You should stop unless turning left. You must stop and wait behind the stop line. You must stop and wait behind the stop line. What does this sign mean? Distance to public telephone ahead. Distance to parking place ahead. Distance to public place ahead. Distance to passing place ahead. Distance to parking place ahead. When traffic lights are out of order, who has priority? Traffic turning left. Traffic turning right. Nobody. Traffic going straight on. Nobody. A police car is following you. What should you do if the police officer flashes the headlights? Pull up on the left. Turn left at the next junction. Stop immediately. Move over to the left. Pull up on the left. What's the speed limit for a car towing a trailer on a motorway? 40 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour. $60 miles per hour.